Hey everybody, welcome back to 2 Acres Evolving. Before I get started on today's project, I just wanted to take a minute to thank all of you for supporting my channel. I started this channel back on April 6th, and we just recently reached 500 subscribers. So I just wanted to take a minute and thank you all for supporting my channel. And because we've reached 500 subscribers, I'm going to do my very first giveaway today. So make sure to stick around to the end of this video for the giveaway details. All right, so the project that I have today is right here off of my patio, and this goes out to my backyard. I have this area full of rock on both sides, and I was going to fill this center part up with rock. However, since this is the main pathway to the backyard, I wanted to do something a little bit different. So what I'm going to be doing is putting these pavers down throughout this entire walkway, and then in the spaces between the pavers, I'm going to be putting these rocks. And then once I get this area done, then I've got to go in. I have this side, I have Mondo grass along the patio on this side. So I need to go in and add it to this side. So I'm just going to go ahead and set the camera up and get started placing these pavers down. All right, so I have the pavers all laid out how I want them. Now, if I was just using pavers, not putting rocks in between them, I probably would have put a layer of sand down below these to help level them out a little bit better. But since I'm putting rocks in between them, I decided not to use the sand. And the soil underneath these is really hard clay soil, so I'm not worried about these shifting very much at all. So the next thing that I need to do is I need to go in and take the plastic edging out that I have on each side. I'm going to be taking that out and then filling this area in with the gravel that I have over here. All right, so I have this area done now, and it looks a whole lot better than just a bunch of dirt sitting there. And I'm glad that I left the plastic edging in there until I got the pavers in, because it created kind of like a guide for me to go by. And it was a lot easier to put these in. This project only took me about maybe an hour, if that. So this is really not a hard project at all to do. And while I'm here, I can give you an update on these containers. The Super Tunia Vista Snowdrift has done awesome in several areas that I put it in. So I will definitely be repeating this one next year. And then the hibiscus is doing awesome as well. So now that I have this part done, I'm gonna go ahead and continue the grass from this side and plant it over here on this side all the way to the deck. these two projects being done, it makes this area look a whole lot better over here. I don't remember if I mentioned it earlier, but this grass is called Mondo grass. This grass does not get very big at all. It gets about a foot tall and wide. So I've spaced these out about a foot, maybe a little closer than a foot, because I want it to form one solid line of grass on this side and on this side over here. Now the steps are probably going to be another project. Right now I just have railroad ties in there as steps, and those are good for now, but eventually I think I want to go with cedar steps in here, something that looks just a little bit better. All right, so now that those projects are done, I wanted to give you the details on the giveaway that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be selecting 4 winners, 2 from YouTube and 2 from Facebook. And I'm going to be giving away 2 $25 gift cards to Lowe's and 2 $25 gift cards to Home Depot. And all you have to do to enter the giveaway is just comment down below and tell me which one you'd prefer, Lowe's or Home Depot. And then I'll be selecting 2 from YouTube and 2 from Facebook. So if you go on both YouTube and Facebook and comment below the videos, then you get 2 entries into the giveaway. So make sure to like my Facebook page and comment down below this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment down below this video as well. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next one.